Is Webloaded Solutions really a way to potentially earn $200 per week as it claims on the website, or is it a complete waste of time? My name is Michael and I love testing different ways to make money online, and recently quite a few viewers have asked me about this platform, so I decided to test it myself, and in this Webloaded Solutions review I will show you all the details. And let me just be real right away, there are some very important details you need to know before you go and start using this website. So let's start by going over the basics of what Webloaded Solutions is, because when you come to the website you can see that it offers free work from home, online jobs, and it can, for example, be data entry, proofreading, surveys, writing, tutoring, transcription, and more. And when you then scroll down, it looks like quite professional. They have like all these different tasks. For example, you see $200 per week potentially, or this one $25 per assignment, $200 per week, $100 per assignment. Marketing jobs, $200 per week. A lot of these jobs claims that you can earn $200 per week for all these different jobs, and it looks like there's a lot to choose from. So all that is of course like looks great, looks legit so far, but how do you then apply? Because this is when it starts becoming a little bit strange. So when you come to the website, after having looked around, you probably say okay, this looks cool, I want to start applying. So then you would say okay, where would you start? You would probably either click here to how to get started, or you would go to these candidates there and go to the different job categories. So let's select, okay, I want to find some micro jobs, and then you click here to go and see how can I then apply for these. And then we scroll down and see okay, there's ads plastered everywhere. I will explain a little bit later why this is, but you see then there's just an article about micro jobs, more ads, what it could be, ads everywhere, all these different things, start a free trial, another ad, they're all these, right? And it's just but okay, there's some apply button, so okay, I'm assuming then I need to apply for it here. Another ad pops up, we'll try to close that one down there. I'm just sent to another page, then it's called application process, ads pop up again everywhere. Then the application process, okay, I need to go to step 1, review the instructions, let's do 2, 3, okay, so let's try step 1 then. You see, then where do I then go? How we hire, another article, the hiring process, you need to start browsing the job categories, but that was what I just did. And then you send me to an apply site, and when I applied that, it goes to a site where it says I need to browse the job categories. That's, I only did that, just did that, right? So okay, fill out the application form, we'll try that. And then it goes to another URL called application process, and then it go to step 1. I was just there, right? It just sends me in circle and circle, and then go to step 1. This is how you just send around. You see? Then I just come back here again. No matter where I click, it's just I can't find anything. And even if you go to the front page here, and we try to see some of these different categories there, okay, what if I apply for one of the others, like this one here? Then I'm sent to another page, again, candidates, where there's ads everywhere, ads and different things, but there's no way it's okay, join now, let me try that, a free membership. Then I'm sent to the job categories. So okay, as you can see, it's basically impossible to find a way to actually apply and sign up. So you might think but what is this? And I know many people have asked me about this, I can't do it. Why? How do I actually apply? Well, there's a very specific reason for this. I actually managed to find a so-called registration form, but it was not easy, and I had to do some searching. I couldn't just by doing around here. I had to use some special tools to search online to find it. But why do they hide it? Because if they actually had jobs, why are they not making it easy? Any other job platform where you can actually apply and where it's legit, they make it easy for you. So let's first talk about this, the registration form that I finally find, and then what's the whole deal then? Why do they do this? Why do they not make it easy for us to apply? So as you can see, I actually managed to find a registration form, but it's so silly really basic and doesn't really look legit at all. And I tried to fill it out, not with my real information, because I would never give my real information to a site with this many red flags in my experience there. But the thing is that I couldn't even sign up. I never came to a membership level. I never got any, like confirmation email, nothing like that. It's not really a real registration form. So even if you manage to find it, there's no point in filling it out. You'll never hear from them because they don't have any jobs. So what are they then doing? Let's talk about that. So what Webloaded Solutions and several other websites that do this exact same thing doing is that they have these different earning claims that makes it look very appealing. And the website looks great at first. You see like, okay, I can find these jobs. Like it's not completely exaggerated earning claims. It's, believable, anything. And then you want to apply and you just send in circles and circles and circles. And the reason they do this is, as you could see, they have ads everywhere and they earn by you accidentally clicking these ads, or maybe even on purpose. They earn every time you do that. And they want to keep you on the website because the longer you are there, maybe the more ads you view, the more ads you click. And that's why you can sit there and click and click and click, because like it looks legit. There must be a way to apply, and you just keep clicking around and maybe you end up watching 10, 20 pages before you finally give up. But by then they've earned, they have earned from you watching ads from them. And they have no intention of ever giving you jobs, because then they would have made it easy. And I even managed to find a registration form that didn't work. And it's just so basic, like that it looks really suspicious anyways. But this is the real reason that Webloaded Solution exists. It's for them to make money on ads, and they are confusing the users by just sending you in circles and circles and circles while showing you a lot of ads, placing them strategically so you will probably accidentally click them. They make money like that. You will never find a job here. So to sum it all up, Webloaded Solutions is a complete waste of time. You will never find any paid work because you cannot apply. They just send you in circles and earn from you watching ads or clicking ads. You will not earn anything. If you're looking for this type of jobs, there are plenty of legit data entry jobs. For example, I leave a link to a list below I have of the best data entry jobs where you can easily apply, because that's how it's supposed to be on legit websites. They will make it very easy to apply. So you can check that out. And no matter what type of these jobs you are looking for, you can check out my YouTube channel. I have a lot of videos about free ways to start making some extra money online, and also ways to potentially make a full-time online income if you are willing to put in the effort to do that. You can check out my YouTube channel. I will also leave some links below so you can check out information about that. But no matter what, definitely don't waste your time on Webloaded Solutions. You will not find any paid jobs there. And since so many people have asked me about it, I decided to record this video, and I hope it helped you figure out exactly what to expect. And if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.